Who's gonna win, the mid mount or the rear mount?
It's so much faster.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Right now we are in the Z. The Z is no longer misfiring. Sounds beautiful. I love it. But right now I'm actually about to head over to my buddy Gabe's. He also has a boosted 350Z HR. He's actually going to help me install my boost gauges. We're about to have some nice gauges on these pods right here. All right, guys. Today is a different day. Trev just pulled up.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's afternoon. All right. But we did end up getting the gauges in. They're looking mad pretty. But I'm about to take Trev for a ride, see how he's liking the Z.
I didn't even see him yet. Valid.
We're not on high boost right now, but I want to get a reaction before we fully go on boost.
God damn.
Shout out GRJ Performance. Gabe, thank you so much for installing the boost gauges for me because, you know, I don't know if you guys know, but I do suck at wiring. We got Trev here still from the reaction.
Good morning, streets.
We're about to go up to the car wash because all of our cars are in dire need of a car wash because Trev's is literally poop right now.
Oh yeah, I literally parked under a tree and it's just like covered in bird poop.
Like, I've never seen a car with more bird poop on it, but yeah, we're about to do that right now, so we're about to cruise out. All right, guys, I can't get over how these gauges look. I love it. I love it. Hey, look at this. Come on. That is so sick. I don't know if you guys can see it, bro's car is filled with dookie.
Your gas door's open.
No shot. No way. I'm one of those idiots. We got the line up here. Got my car, Kayla's new G37, Brooks G35, and then we got Gabe's Turbo 350Z. Look at this.
I'll spray you.
How you feeling?
Good. Now I can finally get all this walk. So.
I can't even lie, guys. Kayla's car is hard. Congratulations, Kayla. Got the VHR. See if me and Trev can convince her to boost it. I want to convince Brooke to boost her car as well, but you know. Yeah, but I'm loving it. This looks too clean. I've always wanted a car that has gauges like that, and Z's come with 3 gauges, and then you got 2 more. I got the pod from Z1, so shout out Z1 Motorsports. Guys, I really don't know what it is, but Z's get so dirty so quickly. I gotta clean it. Barely anybody's even been in this car since I washed it last. Wow. The real question is who's gonna win, the mid mount or the rear mount? Leave down below. All right, guys, the Z is finally looking mad clean. Hold on, we gotta shut the door. The Z is finally looking great. Brooke's car looks great, Trevor's car looks great, Kayla's car looks good. Great. Sorry if it's loud, guys.
What?
What's the deal now? Food?
Yeah, we're going to Mod Pizza right now. And, I'm about to smash out the barbecue chicken, and, because I'm starving.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Gotta cop that Mod Pizza. So good.
One more time? San Pellegrino. Yeah, that shit ass.
As it is actually another day now. Right now I'm actually about to go. We got the doggo coming. What's up, dude? What's up? But yeah, so I'm about to go and take my tire off the Z because the Z
is long awaited on needing a new tire. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. It is so bad. Let's see.
She's looking mad pretty though. But look at that, guys. That is not looking too good at all. Yeah, guys, I can't get over how well the boost gauge and the AFR gauge look. It's amazing, honestly. Next up for the interior is probably going to be a new center console, bezel area, whatever you want to call that, because it just don't look good like that. So we'll see. That's future content. But this is what I'm in here for, because, you know, we got wheel locks. RIP the Pirelli, guys. When I tell you this was a long overdue right here. That's no good. I gotta fix my alignment. That's my issue. I never ended up putting my other lower control arm on, and the bushing is really bad in it, and it's causing a terrible alignment. I haven't even drove much on this tire, and it's just destroyed now. Alright, so it's time to load this up into the Jeep.
Well, as you guys seen in the last clip, I was taking the tire off, got the tire off. I was going to load it up into the Jeep. Brooke called me. She's like, yo, you want me to take it up there? Since I don't really have too much time once I get off work, because I am on my work break right now. But I didn't have too much time after that. She's like, yo, want me to take it up there? I was like, yeah, bet. Good looks, right? So she's looking it up. After I get off work, I'll mount that bad boy back on. Also, they only had one tire, so it's not going to be a matching tire to my other side, unfortunately, because it is impossible to find my size tire in this area. And if I'm lucky, I can get one that's a completely different brand. So that's the issue right now, but it's not that big of a deal. Just want to get the car driving, and then in the future, I'm going to get some R888s for the front, and the back, that's a secret. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the future. Shout out Brooke for hooking it up with the tire. Appreciate it. Now we're all good. Bam. Okay, guys, so I've tried 100 million times to get these floor mats to look black again, but the old owner was like too crusty and never ever washed the shit, so I just copped this and we're about to make it black again. Number one is done, and it finally looks like a floor mat again. Jesus, let's do the driver's side now. And that is the after on the mats, and they look brand new. That is great. That is literally amazing. I'm so happy with how those turned out. I'm gonna let them sit out here for a while because I obviously don't want the Z smelling like paint. But I mean, shit, for $12, whatever that was, worth it. So that's actually going to wrap today's video up. I hope you guys like this kind of vlog style video. If you did, go down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, stay tuned for future content. I'm going to show what those floor mats actually look like in the Z, as well as maybe some more boosted pulls. Well, not maybe, definitely. Especially once I do get tuned. I should be getting tuned and fully tuned on boost within the next 2 to 3 weeks. The car's pretty dialed in, so we'll catch you then, or we'll catch you Sunday. So stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
Big shot, everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get off, get down. Living like this till my time's gone. And I'm in an infinite time zone. Everybody act like they some